Welcome to Section 1 of the in-house financing training. This section will deal with entering an account into the in-house financing system. There's actually two ways of doing this. One is to enter the account manually in the in-house financing section. The other is to transfer the information from the DealerClick module. First, we'll show you how to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and open the DealerClick module. And what you need to do here is you need to go to your setup functions, go to your lists, and then go to your lenders. What you're going to do is set yourself up as a lender in the system. So I'm going to give it a company name of DealerClick. And then what I'm going to do is check the in-house and go ahead and make this the default lender. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this. I'll close this screen, and then you'll see in our drop-down menus that I now have DealerClick as a lender. Notice when I click DealerClick as a lender, down here at the bottom left, the in-house financing checkbox is checked. Now that allows me to go ahead and transfer a deal to the in-house financing system. In order to do that, I come over and I click on Recap. I then click on Continue with Commissions, and you'll notice that I now have a Transfer to Buy Here, Pay Here button. When you click on this button, it transfers the deal to sold and then brings up a screen which allows you to select an account number and then be able to transfer this to Buy Here, Pay Here by clicking on Transfer to In-House. When you click on Transfer to In-House, it transfers it over, and then when we switch back to the Buy Here, Pay Here module and go to our open window, you'll then see down at the bottom we'll have this account set up. The other way to do that is to click on New from your open screen, or if you have an account already open, you can then click on New from the icon on the top left. We'll go ahead and save the account that's already there and then go to our data entry screen for a new account. The quick way to go ahead and get an account in is to enter in an account number, click on the Buyer module, put in the last name, put in the first name, click on OK, click on the vehicle information, go ahead and enter the stock number, and then click on OK. We will be able to enter in the rest of the information, and I'll show you that in a moment. Then what you do is you enter in the amount financed, enter in your interest rate, enter in your days to pay, which is going to be dependent on the term that you use, enter in the number of payments, make sure that your sale date is correct, make sure that you select the correct payment period, select your payoff method, whether it's by simple rule of 78 or no interest at all. Click on the Calculate Payment button, which calculates your payments. If you are entering in system information from another system, just go ahead and enter in your payments and accept them as they are. If you need to enter deferred down payment information, click on the Pickup button, and then you'll be able to enter in the number of days, the amount, and click on Add, and repeat that for as many of the deferred down payments that you have. Click on Close, then click on Save and Close to save the information. It will ask you to go ahead and confirm. Click on Yes to continue, and then it's going to go ahead and open the account on the screen for you. In order to complete the entry of the information, click on the View menu item up at the top, click on Buyer Information, and then you'll be able to go ahead and enter in the street information, enter the zip code and press Tab to come up with the city and state. Enter the information for the street, go ahead and enter phone numbers, unit numbers, occupation information, click on OK. Then all you have to do is click on the Save button to save that information. If you have co-buyer information, you can click on co-buyer